Assalamu alaikum to all dear students of Metropolitan Foundation School. I hope you all are fine and safe, and we are also fine by the grace of Allah. Now, we are going to start our next topic in the month of September. These are the topics which we will learn in the month of September. Now, in this video, we are going to learn sentence kinds based on meaning. Unit number 18, Sentence Kinds Based on Meaning. This chapter is all about sentences and types of sentences and their exercises, which is in your book. So, first of all, the first question that occurs in your mind, that what is a sentence? Definition of a sentence is a group of words make a sentence. It means that a group of words. Words. What is word? For example, if I said I is a word, is a single word. But again I said go. Go is also a single word. To is also a single word. School is also a single word. But when I combine these words into a group form, this will become a sentence. I said, I go to school. These single words make a one sentence. This is a sentence definition. Because sometimes a single word does not have any meaning. But when we said in a group form, so this word will also have a meaning. सेंटेंस क्या होते हैं कि एक लफ्ज को अगर हम एक लाइन के अंदर लिख दें और एक मर्ज कर दें, कोई ग्रुप की फॉर्म में ले आए, तो वो एक जुमला क्रिएट कर देते हैं. ये क्या होते हैं, फिर वो क्या बन जाता है, एक सेंटेंस बन जाता है. What are the kinds of sentences? Kinds of sentences, depending upon the meaning and also the tone which the speaker wants to convey through a statement, sentence can be classified into 5 types. Sentences क्या होते हैं? Sentences वो होते हैं कि कहने वाले ने किस टून में या किस लहजे के अंदर अपने जुमले को कहा है, या किस लहजे के अंदर या किस वे के अंदर क्वेश्चन किया है, ये पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है. These are the types of sentences. How many types of sentences? Here are 5 types of sentences: affirmative and declarative, interrogative, imperative, and the 4th one is exclamatory. 5th one is affirmative and negative. In this video, we will learn all the types of the sentences individually with examples and do the exercises. So let's start the video. First type of sentence is assertive or declarative. In other words, that we call assertive as a declarative. So, definition: to convey information or simply make a statement which could be positive, to affirm something, or negative, to deny or deny something. For example, Mr. Zubair will be coming to visit us this afternoon. This sentence is a affirmative because we are giving information. Assertive sentences give information, and information could be positive or in a negative way. So, when we are informing something in a positive or in a negative way, these sentences called are assertive sentences. Now, our second type is interrogative. Interrogative to ask different kinds of questions. It means that when we are asking about something or about someone, to these types of statement and these types of sentences called interrogative. For example, where did you keep the book that I had given you? In the interrogative sentences, the double-edged questions occur, like when, how, what, where, whom. These type of statement and tenses called interrogative tenses. Now our third type of sentence is imperative. To command or instruct someone or make a request. These types of tenses, when we are commanding or instructing someone or making a request to someone, these types of tense is called imperatives. Now, for example, please don't come inside with muddy shoes. Muddy means covered into a mud. Another example is open the door. This sentence is when we are instructing someone to open the door or commanding. And please don't come inside with muddy shoes. This is a request. I told you that when we command or instruct or make a request to someone, these types of tenses called a imperative. Now, our fourth types of sentence is exclamatory sentence. To express strong feeling and emotions. For example, how beautiful the sky looks. When we are showing our feelings with strong feelings or emotions, for example, when we are crying, when we are very much happy, and when we express our feelings to someone or about something, these types of tenses called exclamatory sentences. Now, our fifth types of sentence is affirmative and negative. Affirmative is a simple statement and negative has declared negative statement. For example, his explanations are always difficult. This sentence is a affirmative sentence, and the second one is his explanations are never easy. This statement is negative because we are criticizing on someone else. When we are talking a simple types of sentence, however it is positive or negative, these types of tenses called imperative, affirmative and negative. Now we are moving towards our exercise A, which is on the page number 99 in your book. Question: identify the purpose of these sentences to state, request, wish, or ask, etc. We have some sentences given below. What we have to do we have to find out that whether this statement is state, request, wish, ask, etc. First of all, I'm going to tell you what is an optative sentence. An optative sentence express a wish or a pray. Your first sentence is, may you be successful. This is optative sentence. I told you that optative sentence shows and express a wish or a prayer. So this sentence is optative. Now our second sentence is What a pleasant surprise this is. Exclamatory, to show surprise, because we are showing our strong feelings. That's why this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Third, where do you want to go? This is an interrogative sentence because we are asking a question. Fourth, please sign on the dotted line. This sentence is imperative because we are requesting to someone else. The fifth one is, what are you planning to do? This sentence is also an interrogative sentence because we are asking a question to someone. Now we are moving the exercise number C, which is on the page number 100. Transform the exclamatory sentences below into assertive sentences. We have exclamatory sentences in the exercise, and what should we do? That we will change the exclamatory sentences into assertive sentences. First, what a nice compliment that is. This is a exclamatory sentence and we will change it into assertive sentence. It is a nice compliment. We change the exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Now second, how well behaved the children are. This is an exclamatory sentence and we change exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. The children are well behaved. This we changed exclamatory sentence into assertive sentence. Now third, what great chef we are. We are a great chefs. Fourth, what a shame it is. It is a shame. Fifth, what a fantastic idea you have. You have a fantastic idea. Now this exercise is finished. We are moving to another exercise. We are moved to exercise number D, which is on the page number 101. Question, transform these assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. One have been done for you. Now, in this exercise, we have assertive sentences and we will change the assertive sentences into interrogative sentences. First, this is his book. This is an assertive sentence and we change it into interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence when we ask to question or when we make a sentence in a question way. So, is this his book? We change assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Now second one, he is a chartered accountant. Is he a chartered accountant? Now this exercise is also finished and we are moved to another exercise. The third exercise is exercise number E, which is on the page number, which is also in the page number 101 in your book. Now, question, transform the following affirmative sentences into negative sentences so that the meaning remain the same. In this exercises, we have affirmative sentences and we change it into negative sentences. But in this exercise, the meaning should remain the same. We change affirmative sentences into negative, but the meaning will not change. The meaning should not change. So, इस एक्सरसाइज के अंदर क्या करना है, हमें अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं, उसे हमें नेगेटिव में चेंज करना है. बट सेंटेंस का जो मीनिंग है वो बदलना नहीं चाहिए, वो उसी फॉर्म में रहना चाहिए. बट अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस को हम नेगेटिव में चेंज कर दें. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज, दिस इज अ टेम्पररी सॉल्यूशन. This is a affirmative sentence. This is a positive. Okay. We change it into negative. This is not a permanent solution. We change it into negative, but the meaning remains the same. Second, Your friend is very brave. This is a affirmative sentence and we change it into negative. Your friend is not cowardly. This exercise is finished. Now we are moving towards another exercise. Now our next exercise is exercise number F, which is on the page number 102. Question: transform the following negative sentences into affirmative sentences so that the meaning remains the same. In this exercise, we have negative sentences and we change it into affirmative sentences, but the meaning will not change. The meaning should not be changed. So, let's start the exercise. First, I cannot reach his place before 5. मैं उसके घर पे 5 बजे से पहले नहीं पहुंच सकता. So, this is a negative sentence and we change it into affirmative. But हमें क्या करना है, इसके तो मीनिंग को चेंज नहीं करना. सो हम चेंज करने जा रहे हैं इस जुमले को. आई कैन रीच हिज प्लेस आफ्टर 5. मैं उसके घर पहुंच सकता हूँ बट 5 बजे से पहले नहीं, 5 बजे के बाद. सो दिस वी चेंज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस इनटू अफर्मेटिव. और इस सेंटेंस के अंदर आप देख सकते हैं कि इसके मीनिंग चेंज नहीं हुआ. सो नाउ आवर सेकंड सेंटेंस इज शी कैन नॉट keep her eyes open when she sits in her comfortable sofa. जब वो अपनी आंखें खुली नहीं रख सकती जब वो अपने comfortable सोफा के ऊपर बैठती है. सही. She can keep her eyes open when she sits in her uncomfortable sofa. वो अपनी आंखों को खुली रख सकती है अगर वो अपने uncomfortable सोफा के ऊपर बैठे. Now, this exercise is also finished. Now, our next exercise is exercise number H, which is on the page number 103. Question: transform the interrogative sentences below into assertive and the assertive sentences into interrogative. In this exercise, we have some interrogative sentences and some assertive sentences. If we have interrogative sentence, so we will change it into assertive, and if the sentence is assertive, we will change it into interrogative. So let's start the exercise. Is not it an exciting journey? क्या वो अच्छी और exciting journey नहीं थी? So this is a interrogative sentence because इस sentence के अंदर हम question कर रहे हैं. We are asking a question. So what we have to do that we should change it into assertive sentence. It is an exciting journey. We change interrogative sentence into assertive. The second one is they can fulfill their promises. This is a assertive sentence. Okay. Because we are giving some information about someone else. So what we have to do that we have to change it into interrogative sentence. Can they fulfill their promises? We change assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Here is your chapter's end. This is the end of the chapter. I hope you like this video. So till then, Allah Hafiz.